wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best pipe vises. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The innovative tri-vise plate is a simple yet highly effective option for securing lengths of tubing, conduit, and lumber. Simply thread the item through one of the specially designed apertures and use your body weight to hold it firmly in place. It's quick and easy to use, and the compact design is easy to store. However, it's not useful for short lengths. At number 9, the versatile caidu combination home vise has an unusually designed ball and socket mechanism that allows the head to rotate in any direction and pivot 90 degrees up and down, so the workpiece can be repositioned without removing it from the jaws. It mounts via powerful suction and comes with non-marring pads, but it's not strong enough for heavy work. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Perfect for a variety of materials, these Mission Automotive soft pads will slip over the jaws of your engineer's vise. Made of TPU rubber, they have a number of highly useful slots to clamp items firmly without damaging the finish. Magnetic inserts keep them in place, and they're 4.5 inches long. However, they are only suitable for small pipes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pipe vises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the HFS Forged is a hinged vise with a self-locking fold-over yoke, so that long pipes can be inserted and removed without having to feed them through. It's finished in a bright red paint, so you will never misplace it. The wide threads provide lots of torque, and it's got replaceable jaws, but it has only a 3-inch capacity. Moving up our list to number 6, the robust rigid straight welding vise has a 0.5 to 8-inch capacity and is designed to hold 2 pipes together securely for spot welding. It features a preformed body and twin chains with swivel adjusters for a trouble-free assembly. This one's professional quality and resists warping from heat. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Halfway up our list at number 5. The heavy-duty Yost Tools BC6 has a cast-iron body and a 3/4 to 6-inch capacity. It can be mounted to any solid worktop and features a chain and integrated crank handle for tightening and securing pipes in its V-shaped rest. It comes with 2 half-inch bending shoes and a corrosion-resistant finish, but small diameter pipes may spin in it. At number 4, the compact rigid bench yoke has a fold-over clamp that uses a sturdy screw mechanism to secure objects between the hardened alloy steel jaws. The base includes a pipe rest and bender that helps to provide stability and leverage. It's available in 4 sizes with a left or right hand opening. However, note that it will leave marks on soft metals. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Reed Tool CV2 is similar in design to other chain vises, but rather than a V-jaw, it has 2 removable inserts that are triple-faced and can be rotated when the teeth wear down, essentially providing you with 2 sets of jaws free. It's equipped with a heavy-duty crank handle, a pipe rest, and a bender, and it's manufactured in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pipe vises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, cast from 60,000 psi ductile iron, the Yost Tool 750 DI Extreme Duty creates over 9,000 pounds of clamping force. The headstock rotates a full 360 degrees and has replaceable hardened steel machinist pipe and V-jaws with self-aligning teeth. It includes a reinforced anvil with mounting tabs and a geared swiveling base. It offers 12 preset locking positions. And taking the top spot on our list, designed for an easy setup and maneuverability, the rigid portable tristand has a large chain and jaw mechanism that hangs over the 3 folding legs, allowing for a clear tool swing. It also has a convenient lug on which to clamp the ground cable when welding. It includes a tray with integrated tool hangers and 3 pipe benders. It has a weight capacity of 1,000 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki www.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pipe vices, or simply click beneath this video.